Previously, I've had a couple of 190Es, and on one of those I had a set of very similar, different Ronald Pentas, and I think they suit an old Mercedes well, but they also look pretty smart on a t25. You can find a real terrible set for about 100 quid, and you can find some immaculate ones for all the way up to about 1,000. These aren't AMG ones. Just taking this off there. A bit annoying because I've just snapped 2 of the bolts. Another part that I wanted off the engine was this coolant hose. I think it is a tiny welding, but it's not unsavable. So I've just removed this pipe from off the water pump. Doing a little clean up. Found 2 little holes. Give those a weld up now, and then this pipe will be good to go on the original engine. Nice and flat. A lot of the filling's done, so you might find there's only a little bit of filling is required. So yeah, we'll leave that bit to last because that might need a bit of something else. Yeah, so once you've sanded that bit all nice, and then you'll be keying the door to make it like good for paint. So, you know, like when you sand a bit of furniture and then it's good to paint.
Yeah. Alright, mate.
We can go mess it up if you want.
You want? Like so strong.
I know. Oh, did she? No, she didn't.
Lid shot 3 of the same exhaust.
You can never have too many doors.
Wow.
Oh, whoa!
Yeah, weld a nut on there.
Yeah. Yeah, weld a nut on.
Let it cool. Plus the heat from the weld as well will help crack that.
Thing is, you want the stud to be cold and try and heat up everything, so you can't get a socket.
The previous owner of this van was something special. Good job, Alfie.
Thank you. And really constant.
So go on, Alfie, explain what you've done.
Well, using heat and my special tool, we've managed to get this broken stud out the head.
Lovely. Now, explain from the start. So this is the exhaust
Exhaust pipe stud.
outlet thingamajig.
Yeah.
And basically, because it's been in there for 30 years, as you've gone to remove the exhaust, it's sheared the end off the stud. So what you've done is you've got a tool which clamps onto the remainder of the stud, it tightens onto it, and then allows you to loosen off.
And a little bit of heat as well. There's broken stud out.
Pow!
Ooh, still hot. One more rubber piping than there is any.
There's a shitload of rubber pipe. I might just go and ask him on jump back. Probably shouldn't have done.
Yeah, it's not like you do anything anyway.
What's been wrong? Is it moving?
I'm not sure.
Something's turning.
Huh?
Something's turning.
Yeah. There you go.
Sort of reorganising behind the dash. I don't think I'm going to get time to do the heater matrix whilst the dash is out. But yeah, so I thought I'd give it a quick tidy up, remove all the horrible gauges, yeah, so which basically means pulling all the wires and whatnot through, which is fair enough, you know. It worked for them, it's not working for me. It's like, yeah. But whilst I was under here pulling out some of the garden hose, I managed to find a condom. Look at that.